Welcome to ZenInbox, connecting your Neo mailbox. Using IMAP/SMTP, easily integrate your Neo Mail account with ZenInbox. Using IMAP/SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Neo mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection. Click Next to continue. Enter your mailbox details. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email ID, enter your Neo email address. Click Next to proceed. Configure IMAP settings. Username, enter your Neo email address. Password, use your Neo account password. IMAP. Host, IMAP port 993 SSL required. IMAP TLS toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Configure SMTP settings. Username, enter your Neo email address. Password, use your Neo account password. SMTP host, SMTP port 465 SSL required. SMTP TLS toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional, to set a different reply to email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success! Your Neo mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Neo mailbox is now ready for sending and receiving emails